Hey everybody, I'm just doing a video today on how to fit and remove a Thule Wingbar and also the footpack and the fitting kit. So this is specifically for a BMW E92 2009. I'm not sure if you use the same footpack and fitting kit for some other BMWs, but there is quite a lot of different fitting kits. So go to the website, the Thule website, put your model and your car in and it'll tell you exactly which ones you've got. So like I say, this is specifically for an E92 BMW, which is a 2009.
So first of all, for the fixed point one, you need to lift up these flaps and you'll see the fixed point fit in there. Now you will have a tapping screw in your pack, which I'll show you now what you need to do with that. So this is your tapping screw. So what you need to do is obviously just put your Allen key into the top of your tapping screw, and then that will basically go into your hole, and then you just need to tap that out and just screw it all the way down until it feels like it don't go down anymore. Don't go mad and force it, but obviously tap it to screw it all the way down and screw it all the way back out again, and that'll just get it ready for the screws to go in, and obviously do that on all the different sections. Alright, these are the fixing bolts. So you'll see it's got like a little knuckle on it, so that needs to go that way down. So when it's in your hole, your clean ends on the top, your knuckles there. So I'll screw all those in now. So that should be nice and tight there. It's just tighten them around with that Allen key fitting. And then you just need to go around and make sure you've tightened each of the four corners. They're all ready to go. So this is the instructions for the 3039 kit, which like I said is for the BMW 3 Series. They're all specific for your car. If you go on the Thule website and you can put in your specific car model and it'll tell you which kit you need and everything, which footpack and which kit you need. This is the fitting kit for it. So the footpack is separate. The footpack is the bit that's connected to your wing bar, and this fitting kit is the bit that fits to the footpack. So they are separate, okay? And then if you look here, it tells you which parts here to put on the front left, which parts to put on the front right. So it is specific, like you use a number 1 and a number 21 on the front left. But on the front right, you use a number 2 and a number 20. So the different mouldings. So obviously you get 2 of each, 2 20s, 2 21s, 2 1s and 2 2s. And you can tell by the shape of the moulding that way it fits over your bodywork. It's obvious if it's on the wrong side, so just take the time to make sure they're on the right side. And these plates, as you'll see later on when I show you, they've got little stickers on that says FL front left, FR front right. Yeah, the stickers are on these little plates here, so you'll see that later on in the video. So like I said before, in your instruction manual you've got 4 of these 2 20s and 2 21s, these rubber gaiters. And then you've also got the plates here. So this one's got FL for front left on it, and then you've got front right and rear left. So you'll know exactly which corners to put on. Just make sure you've got the right ones in the right corners. Save yourself messing around. And they fit that way around, as in the L shape that way around, so not that way around. Just make sure you put them on right. You'll know because they do fit and they clip into the top of those plastic feet there. So they will fit the shape, the profile only going one way. And if you look inside there, you'll see the number 21, there'll be a print and 21. So 2 of them will have 21, 2 of them will have 20. So you can tell, like I say, because the profile just fits the shape of the bodywork. So you can see here how the clip just only fits one way into that moulded foot. And then the foot then obviously goes over the bolt. And it goes, make sure you put it on the right way round as well, so obviously it just slides down on top of the bolt there, and then you know it's the right way round because it says front left on it and it fits. What I'd recommend is not doing this on top of your car, so I'm going to take it down the floor and fix it to the rest of this foot plate here. So it's a bit more difficult trying to do it one-handed because I'm holding the camera, but you can see that's how it fits on. And then there's 2 holes, you can see 2 holes, and then those screws that you can see there, they basically go through them holes and they fasten into the bar at the back. So I'll show you on the instruction manual now, just that section as well, because that might help. So there it is on the instruction manual, you can see the 2 screws going through the holes there. Exactly the same, seam fastened in. So that's just literally slides over the top of it. And then you've got the holes in there. And then this is going to go through here, and then you put the bolts through. So I'm going to just slip the bolts through just so it's in position, you can see that. So those are loosely in position, and you can see they're screwed into like a bolt at the back here. You can see the thread holes. So you need to get them in a reasonable amount, but not too much, because when you tighten them up fully, then that whole foot plate can't slide up and down the wing bar, and you need that to be able to slide because you need to be able to adjust it to obviously the position of the bolts on your car. So you just put them in so it's secure and they're not going to fall out, but you don't want to tighten them up too much. So this is the plate for the front right section of the car, so it's on the other end of the wing bar. And this is the rubber gaiter. So obviously that fits the profile of the front right portion of your car. If you look inside it, you'll see there's a number 20. So just make sure you make a note of that, or you just check, like I say, with the instructions. So this is the front right plate clipped into the feet, and then that basically just slips up inside that rubber gaiter and then lines up with the holes like that. Obviously this wing bar's upside down now, so they'll obviously fit on. So the moulding for the front right is a number 2, and obviously the front left moulding is a number 1. Just again, just check, make sure you got the right ones. What I suggest you do is basically take those mouldings off. Don't lift up the wing bar with them on. Take them off, literally fix them onto the car, put them in position on the car, because they'll just fall off, because they could just fall off on top of your car. So take them off, take both of them off, go around, fix them on, get them in position, and then when you lift your bar up, then you know that everything's attached, there's nothing there that's going to fall off, so you can literally just pick it up and lift it up on top of your car. So I could pick that up now, even one hand, just gently. Got your dust sheet on there as well, so at least get it up and on top of your car, ready to go. What you need to do now is measure this section here, just make sure it's the same there, just so you've not got the left sticking out more than the right, so it's pretty central. So make sure when it's on that you push down on the metal plate and you'll feel it and hear it click. It probably will click down when you fasten the nut down on that bolt there, but I'd just try and make sure you can hear them all click on all 4. So when you're ready, the next stage is basically just tighten these bolts up with your Allen key. Don't do it too aggressively, because the rubber, it'll pinch the rubber and it can tear the rubber, so just be careful with those. Just doing bit by bit, and then that will tighten up the whole foot against the wing bar, so it won't really move. Then you just got the bolts to tighten on then. So let's go around and do all 4 of those. So when they're all tightened up, what you need to do is get your washer. Should have 4 of these, and bolt. Should have 4 bolts as well. So just get your washer, put your washer on, and then obviously get your bolt on. Spin that down. There's a spanner in the pack, or obviously just use one of your spanners, won't make any difference, but obviously just get that tight. Don't go mad on it, because you don't want to be threading anything. You'll feel that it's pretty firm, it ain't going anywhere, so just get it nice and tight really, but don't go crazy. Everything's tight, it'll stop it sliding backwards and forwards. Everything will feel sort of nice and firm, like it ain't going to go anywhere. So as long as you're happy with it all, pull that rubber gaiter down as much as you can, just so it's sort of flush with your bodywork, and then it'll fit the face plate, which is the last bit we're going to put on, will fit over nicely. Then just make sure it just stops any rain getting under as much as possible. So you get a set of keys with your face plate, so literally just put it in the open position, click it in, and then you just turn it so it's vertical, the key, and then it's locked. So all in position then, ain't going anywhere, and that's your finished wing bar fitted. Obviously repeat the process all 4 corners. So as I promised, this is the rear left, so I just wanted to make sure that you could see. So there's a number 20 in the corner, but again just follow the instruction. If you've not got the instruction manual, then number 20 and a number 2, so you can see the foot plate there. And your rear right is number 21. You can see that there, upside down, I know, and a number 1. So 21 and a 1 for your rear right. There they are, all fitted with the face plates on, ready to go. Just need to put your bike racks on, or your roof rack, or whatever else you're putting on it now. So hope that helped. I messed around with it for a bit and had to suss it out and had to swap them around a little bit, and it kind of makes sense when you think about it because the profiles kind of match. If you got them on wrong, it just doesn't look right at all. So I've not tightened that one up properly yet. So yeah, hope it helps, guys. So to take them off, just basically remove these bolts. That's the best way to do it because it's already measured for your car. So you don't really need to undo it. You might need to loosen them if it's just a bit difficult to get it off, just because they go on at a slight angle, but just go around, undo all them, and you should be able to just lift them off. So there's with the bolts off. So they should just lift off. So it might be a little bit difficult to do it one-handed, but there's your bolts and washers off. So you can just lift it up. So yeah, a bit difficult to do one-handed, so I'll just sort of cut and come back and show you when I've lifted it off. So there's one off, and there's the other side off. So just be careful because these will fall off, and that's why I said before, obviously, just put them on your car first. You don't want them falling off on your car. Then get your Allen key again and just basically unscrew those and take them out. Simple as that. And that's it, removed. Just got to put your flaps down, and there's the wing bar. I can keep it all in one piece with the feet attached to it then, and then it's just easy just to store. So you just need to basically just flip those down, just like that. All done. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. My aim is to just make a video that's useful, because like some videos they cut things out and they assume that you know what you're doing. So I'll just take you through every single stage so there's no mistake there. So hopefully it was just right. It's not telling you how to suck eggs. So take care everyone.